In my last video, I said something always goes wrong.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Do It. I'm Jeremy, and of course, as you saw, something went wrong this week. But first, I had a couple of visitors. Nice little gardener snake. I really don't mind the snakes.
Oh man, look at that thing.
And a black butterfly. I thought it was cool. But first, if you didn't notice in my last video, my pool had gotten a little green. Our son has been a little intimidated by the pool this year, so we just decided to take it down. I have been trying to get it taken down for the past couple of weeks. I either get sidetracked, don't have time, or it's raining. So today was a nice day. I needed to get it, at least the loose dirt sprayed off it so I can get it put away.
We'll let that dry and we'll fold it up and pack it away. Should be good. So now, let's tackle trimming this tree. I guess this is the time I wish I had two cameras and show you this angle and that angle. But I don't have the one, so I'm sorry. Let's see what will be better.
Yeah, I think this is a better angle. I don't know what kind of trees these are. When we moved in October 2018, our both fence lines and the back brick wall were lined with a ton of little trees. I must have dug out 30 tree stumps. Not huge, so it wasn't that bad, but it was a lot of them. This is the same kind of tree. I don't know, I really consider it a weed. It's very thorny, and they attract a lot of bugs. Every time I try and mow in this back corner, especially this year, because of all that overgrowth, I was, having to duck my head, and I'd either get scratched up by the thorns. So, yeah, these things had to go.
Not perfect, but I can live with it.
Plus, my wife has plans for that back corner with that plant you saw back there and some hydrangea bushes at some point. Here are the thorns I was talking about. They're on every limb, and if you're not paying attention, you will get snagged. And if you haven't figured it out, sometimes I don't pay attention. I lost a couple of teeth, which, in hindsight, is probably a good thing. That thorn came off the trunk of the tree and got stuck in my glove.
Thank God for gloves. In my last video, I said something always goes wrong. And today is no exception. I'm gonna go take care of this. And I'll be back.
I got bit by a shark.
Alright, so I did get a little lightheaded, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, it's not that bad. Kinda looks like I got bit by a shark. It's not even bleeding no more. I'm gonna put a little gauze pad on it. Tape it up. I might take a break just to be on the safe side. Drink a little bit of water. Might get me a snack. And then I'll get back to it. Alright, we're back. I'm all bandaged up, ready to go.
Try and be a little more careful from here on out. Plus my my forearm is feeling a little sore. That's our husky. She is 12, gonna be 13 this year. Story about her, about this time last year, she had a spindle tumor on her side that we needed to get removed. And we ended up taking her to Michigan State Veterinary Hospital. It's like the best hospital in Michigan. But they found some polyps on her liver, and they said that her lymph nodes were bad. So she had 3 major surgeries at around her birthday. So 12-year-old dog, 3 major surgeries. Very expensive, but worth every penny. Pretty touch and go, 'cause she didn't want to eat when she got home. And I ended up buying like Cornish hens and boiling them.
I want to go back inside.
And she seemed to like that. So she started eating that stuff. And when we started weaning her off her medications too, her appetite got a lot better, her movement got better, and as you can see, she looks like not a 13-year-old dog. Thank you for watching this far. Appreciate you very much. Please like and subscribe. I never did put the pool away, but I did have a bonfire, and it was a pretty good night. Anyway, thanks for watching again. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you around.
I do it.